this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a donation button in Please Donate. So if you're trying to remove a Game Pass donation button from your stand in Please Donate, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is close Roblox on our computer. Once you close Roblox, navigate to roblox.com and log into your account. From there, select Create in the top menu. Then once you've selected Create, select Dashboard in the top menu, and then select your place. From there, scroll down in the left menu here, and then under Monetization, select Passes. And under Passes, scroll down, you'll see all the different game passes you've created that show up on your stand in Please Donate. And if they have a Robux price, under Current Price, that means they're currently being shown on your stand. So from here, we simply need to find the Game Pass or donation button that we want to delete or remove from our stand and Please Donate. So I'll select this one. Then once you see Basic Settings, select Sales in the left menu, and then toggle off Item for Sale, and then select Save. Now that item will no longer show up on our stand and Please Donate. So we can go back, open up Please Donate, and once we claim a stand, you can see I now only have 2 donation buttons because I removed that other one. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.